Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ANY. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. This chart's a little tricky from a presentation standpoint because there's a lot of perspective that goes into it. What do I mean by that? Well, if you are a day trader and you bought up there and you wanted to sell within 8.23 seconds, then yeah, for you the chart's looking pretty rough. But if you care about a bigger picture of things, then yeah, I get it. There was a pullback today, but the bulls still have an opportunity to build a higher base. And when you have those higher bases being built over time, that's how the long-term uptrends are constructed. So, and I'm going to be talking about things from a bigger picture perspective. So if I sound crazy calling something bullish, my guess would be you just had a different, idea and strategy going into, the trade itself. So first part I want to start off with is this area of resistance because it's pretty in your face. And this level of resistance, or in other words, kind of where the sellers are hanging out, right up here at that point of 29 cents. I realized, okay, today, technically speaking, did the price hit it exactly? No, the price didn't quite hit it, but well within the realm. And you can see that over the past several days, on 2 different occasions, the bulls have gotten right up around that 29-cent mark. And in both instances, the prices, rejected the price back down. So without question, that is definitely a key area of resistance as far as the chart is concerned. Now, what about areas of support? Key level here going forward, as far as supports are concerned, I'm going to be right here at what I would call 20 cents. Reason for 20 cents. In the event, let's say the price actually does come down here a little bit and, hits this level, bounces around and then heads back up. Well, at that point in time, from a bigger picture perspective, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this base of lows right here. You'd have this base down around here. And if you picture each one of those as stair steps, from the grand scheme of things, the stair steps would still be trekking in the upwards direction. And that's the name of the game. So support-wise, is it the end of the world if 20 cents can hold? Not the end of the world, but, preferably speaking, that would definitely be the area that you want to see the price hold going forward in order to make, the big picture chart, remain as healthy as possible so that those stair steps are still in play. So all in all, yeah, price pulled back today, but today's just, right 1 day. When you look at multiple days, you can see that the bulls still have a chance to build those stair steps higher, and that's what you want to see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.